doing the evaluation, realized that this is not on there all the way. It's loose, sucking outside air. Other thing, flashing's not roofed in. These collars, there's no collars. They just cut holes and they stuck ductwork in. I want to see that. Just cut the holes and stuck the ductwork in the holes. Only one collar right there. Electrical. Run up no roof jack. Over here, it's come apart. Thermostat right there. I don't know if you see that. They got the ceiling boxes and they pull 6-inch flex through the hole. You see that? Let's check the other room. See, it does the same thing here. So that's why they're not getting any. It's hackery 101.